Hello, this is Jim from Tech Buzz, and today we're going to have a quick unboxing of the Urbanista New York, now with active noise cancellation. And this is the package here, and as always, packaging is presented very well. And on the back it'll give us some information about design, active noise reduction, 16 hours of noise-free pure musical enjoyment on one single charge, and comfortable soft over-ear headphones with memory foam cushions. And we have got ANC, ideal for home work and go, comfortable fit over ear, sleek design, manage music calls, ANC compatible iOS, Android and Windows. So we'll open up the box and we're presented with them like so, and we'll take them out and have a look and see what else we get inside. And we'll just put these to one side. As you can see, they come very well protected and padded, which is really nice. And inside we have some really cool bits and pieces. We have this lovely leather bag, or not leather bag, it's a bag made of material with a leather strap. Really nice indeed, heavy duty. And we have a pocket there, or we can just open up here from the top, so you'll put your headphones in there, and of course your cables inside. And again, these are really nice. It's a braided cable, USB, micro USB cable, and we have an adapter here, so you can just pop them in there to keep them safe. And we also get our booklet, which will tell us what the features are on the headset itself, so you won't get lost. And pretty nice indeed. So onto the headset itself, let me just pop these away for now. And here is the headset here. So we have sliding on each side like so, and it's pretty solid. And you can hear the little clickies, there's little grooves inside here. And we can see the Urbanista logo on the inside on both sides there. Cups marked clearly left and right. Nice soft padding on both sides, so these will cover most of the ears. And we can see the Urbanista logo here, and they do fold over like so. So you can fold them up, and which makes them more portable. And there is a bit of movement there too, so there is a bit of flexibility on them. And over on this side here we have some keys, and they're slightly raised so they'll be easy to navigate. And you can see plus minus the usual, and our micro USB. And we also have an indicator light here, and on this side here is our power on and ANC. And again, simple to navigate buttons, and you can see a switch there, or an LED here too, and then our Bluetooth pairing one on this side, so you'll know what's happening there with this. And again, this will be used for charge status and so on. So all in all, pretty simple. Nothing to get worried about, simple to use. Buttons are raised again, which is an ideal situation for navigating blindly, and that's it. And of course the band is made with plastic here, and we've got a nice rubber piece underneath the whole band here, which should be comfortable for wearing. So that's pretty much it for now. If you have any questions, get in touch and check out the rest of the Urbanista range that we have, and we've more to come with Urbanista. And we'll talk to you in the next video, and thank you again for watching.